We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what real users say about the Kisoy Bean Bag Chair cover. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your experience matters and can be invaluable to future buyers. The Kisoy Bean Bag Chair cover, designed as a no-filler storage solution, stands out as a versatile product that addresses both organization and comfort. It is marketed as a storage beanbag cover for stuffed animals, textiles, and even pet beds, crafted from ultra-soft corduroy and designed to be both washable and durable. The product is available in a large size measuring 48 inches in length and width and 33 inches in height, and is recommended for adults, though user experience suggests it is best suited for children and teens or as a secondary adult seat. The Kisoy Bean Bag Chair cover's most celebrated feature is its dual-purpose design. Users consistently praise its ability to hold a surprisingly large number of stuffed animals, plush toys, old pillows, or even out-of-rotation clothing. Parents report that it has helped them regain control over the ever-growing collection of their children's stuffed animals, transforming cluttered rooms into organized spaces while providing a comfortable seat. Many reviewers highlight how the wide zipper opening makes it easy for children as young as 3 to access and change out the contents themselves, fostering independence and making cleanup a more enjoyable activity. The cover's handle, positioned at the top, is another thoughtful touch, allowing children to move the beanbag from room to room with ease. However, some users caution that the handle can feel strained when the bag is heavily filled, especially with heavier items, and advise care when lifting to avoid potential tearing. The corduroy fabric receives high marks for its texture and durability. Unlike some corduroy materials that can be rough or attract excessive lint, users describe the Kisoy fabric as soft, cozy, and gentle on the skin. It is also praised for being air-permeable, wear-resistant, stain-resistant, and fade-proof. The color, particularly the baby blue option, matches product descriptions and retains its vibrancy over time. Reviewers appreciate that the fabric is both child and pet-friendly, though some note that it can act like Velcro for pet hair, which may require more frequent cleaning. The cover is machine washable, and users confirm that it holds up well after multiple washes, maintaining its softness and structural integrity. For spot cleaning, vacuuming, and gentle wiping are sufficient to keep the cover looking fresh. Assembly and filling the beanbag cover are straightforward but require some planning. The product does not include filler, giving users the flexibility to choose their preferred stuffing. Many opt for memory foam, traditional beanbag beans, or simply use the cover as a storage solution for plush toys, blankets, and clothing. Detailed user tips suggest that approximately 200 to 275 liters of beanbag filler is ideal for achieving a plush, supportive seat. Some reviewers recommend using a liner when filling with loose beans to prevent messes and make future cleaning easier. The wide zipper opening simplifies the process, and the zipper itself is robust, featuring a lock to prevent accidental opening. The zipper is also cleverly hidden to protect children and floors from scratches. The Kisoy Bean Bag Chair cover excels as an organizational tool. Parents and pet owners alike find it invaluable for reducing clutter and creating a designated spot for toys, bedding, or even pet lounging. The cover's large capacity means it can hold more than 50 plush toys or a combination of clothing and pillows, making it an excellent solution for rooms that struggle with storage. Teenagers and adults have also found creative uses, such as storing seasonal clothes or extra bedding, effectively turning the beanbag into a functional piece of furniture that adapts to changing needs. The ability to repurpose old textiles as filler is both environmentally friendly and cost-effective, aligning with the growing demand for sustainable home solutions. Comfort is a recurring theme in user feedback. Children enjoy lounging, reading, or playing on the beanbag, and parents appreciate having a soft, inviting seat that encourages kids to spend time in their own rooms. Some adults note that while the large size is manageable for short-term use, it may not provide the full support or space expected from an adult-sized beanbag chair. For those seeking a true adult lounge chair, a larger option may be necessary. However, for children, teens, and as a secondary seat for adults, the Kisoy cover delivers comfort and versatility. The product's durability is generally well regarded, with the double-layered fabric and reinforced stitching standing up to regular use. The handle, while convenient, is identified as a potential weak point if subjected to excessive weight or rough handling. Most users report no issues, but caution is advised when moving a fully loaded bag. The zipper's strength and lock mechanism are frequently mentioned as superior to many competing products, offering peace of mind for households with active children. One of the most significant advantages of the Kisoy Bean Bag Chair cover is its adaptability. Users appreciate the freedom to customize the firmness and shape by varying the type and amount of filler. This flexibility allows the beanbag to evolve with family needs, serving as a toy organizer, reading nook, guest seat, or even a pet bed. The product's aesthetic appeal is another plus, with the corduroy fabric and rounded shape blending seamlessly into a variety of room decors. The baby blue color is especially popular, adding a cheerful touch to children's rooms or play areas. Despite its many strengths, the Kisoy Bean Bag Chair cover is not without drawbacks. Some users find the corduroy texture, while soft, can attract pet hair and lint, requiring more frequent maintenance. The handle, as previously mentioned, may not withstand heavy loads over time, and a few reviewers express concerns about the long-term durability of the zipper under constant use. Additionally, the cover's capacity, while generous, may not meet the expectations of those seeking an oversized adult beanbag chair. For most families, however, the size strikes a practical balance between storage and usability. The Kisoy Bean Bag Chair cover is competitively priced, offering excellent value for its quality and versatility. Users report satisfaction with their purchase, often noting that the product exceeded their expectations in terms of storage capacity and comfort. The brand's commitment to customer service, including a lifetime after-sales guarantee, provides added reassurance. In the event of any issues, users have found the company responsive and helpful. In summary, the Kisoy Bean Bag Chair cover is a well-designed, multifunctional product that addresses the common challenges of clutter and comfort in family homes. Its thoughtful features, such as the wide zipper opening, sturdy handle, and soft corduroy fabric, make it a favorite among parents, children, and pet owners. The ability to customize the filler and repurpose old textiles adds to its appeal, making it both environmentally friendly and economical. While it may not replace a full-sized adult beanbag chair, it excels as an organizer and secondary seat, bringing order and comfort to any room. If you are looking for a practical, attractive solution to toy or textile storage that doubles as a cozy seat, the Kisoy Bean Bag Chair cover is highly recommended. Remember, if you have used this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others. For more information or to purchase, the product link is in the description. Supporting the channel by using the link helps us continue to bring you honest, expert-driven reviews.